Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will learn how to use styling in React. Okay, so open the folder in Visual Studio Code. So in the src folder, create a new file, give it some name, styled component .jsx. So empty file will be created. Use the snippet RFCE, which stands for React Functional Component Export, and press enter. So functional component will be created. Okay. So here we will create a header component h2. So give some text. Welcome to styling. In React. So we will try to style this header. Okay. So here create a style object. Style is equal to, we can give any name. Okay. So let the color be red, comma, font size is 20 pixels. Keep 20, font size 20. Now style object name is style. So we will give the style to this header component here. The typing style is equal to the style prop. We will give the value style. So this is called as inline styling. So you just type welcome to inline styling, Control S. Okay. So when we render this component in the browser, we will get a blue color with 20 pixel size. Okay. So go to app component, here it is, app.jsx, instead of simple form, type with the file name style component. Here it is, here slash, it is imported. So remove this file, let's Control S. So let us start the server by typing npm run dev. Open the browser. So welcome to inline styling in React. So there is a typo here, inline. Okay. So the color is red and the font style is 20 pixels. So in this way we perform inline styling in the React component. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.